Computer network. A computer network is a collection of computers and devices, which are connected to each other, for communication. A computer network is established to exchange data, information and share resources such as hardware, printer, hard disks, software, and the Internet. Similarly, a computer network can also consist of hundreds of computers and devices around the world, for example, the Internet or a banking network.
Types of computer network. There are three types of network: LAN, MAN, and WAN. LAN stands for Local Area Network. It connects computers and devices in a limited geographical area, such as home, school, computer laboratory, and office. We can set up both wired and wireless local area network.
MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. It covers an entire metropolitan area, such as a large city. It connects two or more LANs together. A MAN uses different transmission media, wired or wireless, and hardware for communication. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. It covers a large geographical area such as country or around the world. WAN is generally used to connect multiple LAN and MAN at different locations. The Internet is the best example of a wide area network. Thank you for watching. Like, share the video, and subscribe the channel for more informative videos.